Here I have WIKO Y60, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So firstly, you will have to open settings, then you have to go to the storage section, SD card, then tap here, go to the storage settings, and then tap format, and then tap format SD card, and after a few seconds your SD card will be formatted and ready to use. And as you can see, it's ready. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.